Hello, my name is Peter Barber and I am the Solutions Engineering Manager for Panasonic Factory Solutions Europe. And I want to introduce you today our game changer here at Productronica, and this is our ASF feeder. And this is an auto supply feeder, that's what ASF stands for, and it allows us to put the tape in and just press one button, and then the operation of supplying the tape to the feeder is completed. It's quite straightforward. All we have to do is prepare the tape in a slightly different way, that the top tape, what we call the foil, overhangs the bottom tape by 8 millimeters. And we have a special jig to do that with. So there's no complicated cutting for the operator. And then it's just a simple case of putting the tape into the feeder and then pressing the button. And then the tape is taken in.